In this video here, we're gonna make the sauce bechamel. So I'm adding butter. And if you want, you can add beef. Beef is pretty good, but I'm gonna add seafood. I have some shrimp here. Hold on a second. I have some shrimp. You can add beef, it's pretty good, but since I'm pregnant, I cannot eat beef right now. I don't like it. It doesn't taste right in my mouth. We have the shrimp in here. Okay. We're gonna add some mayo. So I'll say that's about 2 tablespoons of butter. And a lot of mayo, about 4 tablespoons of mayo. But if you don't want to add any meat, that's fine. It will taste good regardless. That was mayo. And now I'm gonna add some mustard. And I'll say about 1 teaspoon of mustard. Alright. And then we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese. If you have other cheese, that's fine. You can add it. And then at the end, you're gonna need to add some more Parmesan cheese to make a very nice crust on top of the macaroni. It tastes really good. So just a little bit, not too much. Like the other because Parmesan cheese has a very strong taste, and well, since I'm pregnant again, I don't like too much of it. So this is about enough. Then we're gonna add some parsley. Parsley here. Okay, I don't know where I'll put my spoon, but I'm gonna use the knife. You also need some Maggi here. That's about one teaspoon. And also a can of milk. And a little bit of salt. Get my salt. Well, my salt fell on the floor, so you're gonna add some salt and a little pinch of sugar, just a little bit. And then this would conclude the video on how to make sauce bechamel. Now you're gonna let